From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of cluttered closets and flimsy hangers that just can't hold up to your wardrobe demands? I know I was, until I discovered the purple plastic hangers by Campier. These heavy-duty plastic hangers are a total game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. With their ultra-slim 0.197-inch design, you can fit more clothes in your closet without overcrowding, and the best part is, they're incredibly durable yet lightweight, making them easy to handle and maneuver. The texture of these hangers is smooth to the touch, and the sound they make when you hang your clothes is reassuringly solid, not like those cheap, flimsy hangers that creak and groan under the weight of your clothes. Plus, with a 5 pounds weight capacity, you can hang everything from delicate blouses to everyday jackets, and they'll hold up beautifully. Many customers have purchased and reviewed these hangers, and it's clear why they're so well reviewed. They just work, and they work well. I've used these hangers for all sorts of clothing, from t-shirts and dresses to lightweight coats and suits, and they've performed flawlessly every time. The result is a closet that's neater, more organized, and easier to navigate, which is a huge relief, especially in the morning when you're trying to get ready for work. Unlike other hangers on the market, these ones are designed for durability and everyday use, so you don't have to worry about them breaking or bending under the weight of your clothes. In real-life use, I've found that these hangers are perfect for maximizing closet space, and they're so easy to set up, you can have your entire closet organized in no time. Overall, I highly recommend the purple plastic hangers by Campier. They're a simple, effective solution to a common problem, and they'll make your life easier. One as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.